Shining something like a Hemi. My wrist on gold just like a Hemi. Live life fast just like a Hemi. In the fat lane just like a Hemi.
What it do, YouTube fans? Your boy FLA back again. You already know, Friday night in Duval. Out here, about to take over these streets. You already know. And you know, just linked up with a couple of the partners. Dash Out Jacks, we out here. You know, supposedly another car club, Fast Lane Jacks. You know, they trying to get some meat going or something. So, you know, we had a pop out. Right now, we about maybe 10, 12 strong. I don't even know. But, yeah, we're going to see what we get into tonight. And you already know there's going to be a lot of free smoke in the air. You know, maybe a little Mexico action. Just vibing. Saturday night. Friday night, my bad. Friday night in Duval. I'm used to being out Saturday nights, man. They got me out on a Friday. But let's get it. Wow. Show y'all some of the whips out here, how we riding out here. You already know that octane wet. You already know that octane wet. Nothing but wide body scats, cats, and hawks out here. Wide bodies out here, boy. You already know my shit dirty, but that bitch still wet. You know we out here. Boy, sliding everything out here tonight. Boy, sliding everything. Got a little BMW. A little BM. Got the big old school F-150 out here. But wow. Look, you're about to run over somebody. Look at this motherfucker. See what we got. No posse, hang it up. I got the light show. It's a light show out here. Got the little young chickadees out here. You already know. Hey, yo, what up, man? How's it going? What's up? Chillin', man. You already know. The bikes.
buddy that they saying this is twin, man. We got homeboy in the crew with Daytona on 6s just like that. This shit wide body. We got out here. Another crowd killer out here. Pickup. Old redneck pickup truck. Smoking that shit up. And got a couple bikers that came. Yeah. Back over here with the Magnum. Biker gang. Youngest hands in the city right there. That ain't no stock 5.7 right there. Damn, that shit loud. Yeah, one at a time, man. One at a time. And it started raining, but these boys still sliding out here. Ooh, ooh, ooh. A bit wet. I know, pulled over, regroup, see what it's looking like. Got bystanders even following us, pulling up. Ooh, that track hard on the 4G's killing them. I ain't gonna lie, man, the road's wet. I might have to take it to the head house. We'll see what it do. We out here though. Wet. That octane, you already know. Best color out, factory candy, yeah. You already know. Ricky 392. Man, it's hard to tell, man. He got a rap on that bitch. It's like that psychedelic shit. Yeah. Out here. You already know, man. First time to the channel, hit that subscribe, like, comment, all that. You already know I'm out here. Let's get it. Holla at your boy, FLA Hemi, over and out. make everybody want to slide out in this beat.